how long haven't you taken any classes or haven't practiced English? Because you told me before this interview that you've had a break.
Yeah, I've had the longest break I've ever had, and I've had a 7 months break.
How does it feel?
It feels weird. It really feels weird. I just quit taking classes, and that's it. I live my life. I do my stuff. I study other things, but it was like I don't need any kind of improvement, and I immediately stopped practicing, doing our lovely TED karaoke or any other practices that were kind of routine during our course, but I just didn't need it because I didn't want to improve. But now I understand that it was very necessary to continue doing something in order to keep the same level. And now I feel that for sure I lost some of the vocabulary. It is not that easy for me to intonate well, although I spent like 5 or 6 months improving my intonation and pronunciation skills. And it's very evident that it was a wrong decision just to quit doing anything. I read articles, I was listening to podcasts or videos or interviews, but I just consumed this information and that's it. I didn't act myself. I didn't write, I didn't speak, and I would be able to do so, but I didn't.